Welcome to a Disney room tour from the Magic Travel Guide. Today we head to Walt Disney World, but not to a Disney property, as we check out the Walt Disney World Swan and Dolphin, which are located near Epcot Hollywood Studios and the Boardwalk at Disney World, but are managed by Marriott International. This Swan traditional room with 2 queen beds measures 340 square feet. The Walt Disney World Swan features 756 guest rooms, while the neighboring Walt Disney World Dolphin features 1,514 guest rooms. The brand new Swan Reserve has 349 guest rooms, with the total complex having 2,619 guest rooms. With all those rooms, the Walt Disney World Swan and Dolphin maintains a mix of both convention and leisure business. The layout is flexible enough to offer separate convention facilities, making the resort appeal to both markets. Guests at the Walt Disney World Swan and Dolphin receive many special Disney benefits, including complimentary transportation to all Walt Disney World theme parks and attractions, including water taxis to Epcot and Hollywood Studios. It's also just a short walk to both of those parks. Early theme park entry and extended evening theme park hours allows the guests to enter the theme parks 30 minutes prior to opening and remain in the parks after closing to enjoy some of the most popular attractions. This benefit is exclusive to resort guests. There's also an on-site Disney Planning Center on site, and advanced tee times on 4 nearby Walt Disney World Championship golf courses are available. And not to mention, if you're a Marriott Bonvoy member, you can get points for staying at the Swan and Dolphin.
Connect with us on Facebook, Instagram, and themagictravelguide.com.